In this short Wix tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable dev mode on Wix tutorial. So this tutorial is the aim of this tutorial is for both beginners and experienced users looking to find how to enable dev mode on Wix. So this is going to be very short. So if you find this helpful, subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. So what you need to do here is let's go here to edit site, and then here we're going to have to go to, we're going to have to click on here to dev mode, and then here we have build professional web applications, and then you're just going to have to click on here, turn on dev mode, and it's that simple. And from here we have page code, and so you know the Velo here, the sidebar, this is the sidebar on Wix. And what is what I can, you know, I can think of it like a control panel for all the stuff that makes up your site. So imagine it as a big folder that shows everything, your pages, light boxes, which are the pop-up windows, folders, files, and packages you added, and even your database collection. So here we have the main pages. Okay, and here we have search results, blog, thank you. And here we have the backend public. So from here, basically,